horse Beau recently had a chiropractor come and visit him to check his body alignment and make sure everything was good. While we waited for the chiropractor to show up, Shannon, the barn manager, cleaned out the stall, getting ready and making space so that he could do his job with Beau effectively without anything getting in his way. As for Beau, he doesn't realize he's about to have a spa day and has decided to try to eat the wheelbarrow. Don't mind him. As for me, while we waited, I decided to do a completely unnecessary song that I just made up the words to in front of my horse's stall and videotaped the whole thing. I apologize, it isn't pretty, but it is what it is. So the first thing the chiropractor did when he arrived was check Beau over, and he immediately found some TMJ issues. So that's what you're seeing him do here.
Nothing, I'm hitting the same spot. Nothing. So let me fix the TMJ. You're right, baby. Okay, let's fix the TMJ. Come on, Nelson. Relax, baby.
You're okay, Mr. Bowman.
I got it. There we go. That's a good release. All right, you like it, huh?
He looks confused.
I got it. Let me check it again. Okay, nice. It's gone. Same spot?
Yep.
Since it's not doing that, so
Nice. Good
back on
boy.
place. Let's check lateral flexion. All right, baby.
In his left lead canter, he always has problems. He really likes to throw that shoulder to the right. Even in hand, he'll like to barge it into you, that right shoulder. He doesn't like to give and bend there.
Right. That explains why he looks so short.
Yeah. So now the chiropractor's moved on to Beau's spine. He's checking its alignment and where it needs to be adjusted. Beau is chewing on his lead rope. It's like a pacifier for him, so I go ahead and let him chew on it. It's something he's done since he was a baby, and I'm okay with it.
Just to mark. So every dot that you're gonna see on his spine and his back, it's gonna be a joint that is out of place.
Okay.
For example, you can come closer with that.
Don't you go out.
That would be about T11, okay? Left side. Okay, see, I'm putting my finger, digging my finger on the left side, and it's hardly flinching. The right side, see, I barely touching it. See, so that means out on the right side. Yeah, baby. Okay. Here.
Hey,
Yeah.
no nibbling on me. I know you're sore back there. It's all right.
Yeah, so pretty much on the sacrum and lumbar is out on the back. For that, I gotta go get the.
Oh, the lift or the thing to stand on?
Yep.
Okay.
It's flinching right there.
Mm-hmm.
So once I get done putting every joint back on place,
Don't you bite.
he should not be doing any of that curving and flinching, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so here we go. Alright. There we go.
Poor Beau.
You like that, huh? Good boy. You like that. Alright. Go.
I really liked how the chiropractor took his time and let Beau investigate the equipment so that he felt comfortable with it, because he's really not used to having anything like this done on himself, and he's really showing a tremendous amount of trust in me, who's handling him, as well as the chiropractor here.
Okay. Yeah, my baby. One, two, and three. There we go. Got it. Hear the click?
No, I did not.
There we go. You heard it?
No, I didn't hear it that time either. I must be getting old people hearing. I'm sorry, Beau. I know he did something.
There I go. Good boy.
Hi.
Yeah. his shoulder, and the sternum is out. Okay. So here we go. Hi, buddy. All right. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Good boy.
That's a good boy. Got you there. Ah, you like that, baby? All right, let's do the other one. See? There. Good boy. That was loud.
Oh, he looked really relaxed.
Oh yeah. That was great. All right, let's do the hips, the stifles and the hops.
He's like, where are you going though? No, come back, do more.
I want come. You need a lot. You're not
Back
high
up
yet.
a little.
All right, baby. Here we go. Come on. I know.
Woo.
Got it. Uh-huh. You like that? Oh, it's awesome. Good boy. All right, let's do the other one. All right, here we go. There we go. That was a big click.
What'd you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Like it?
like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're very welcome. Here we go. Now put you to sleep for a few seconds. I'm gonna do some pressure points. Acupressure.
Yeah.
I don't think that's I mean, for being a stud, he's awesome. Baby, come on. You can see in his eyes how creepy they get him. That's a good sign. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Even though he has a pacifier. See that? Look at his eyes. See? So he's loving it. Look at that. Alright, now I'm gonna make sure that I don't get any flinching or any curving on the spine. I wanna make sure that every joint is back on place. So you remember how it was flinching all over from T1 to T6 to T18 to lumbar and sacrum, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. And I'm digging my nail into the skin.
Okay. That's good, because back there he's been sore to the touch on both sides.
One more time.
Nice.
One more time. Just to double make sure, but you can see.
Yeah.
Okay?
Nice, Beau.
Perfect.